If you're planning to start a business in Colorado, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Colorado even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Forming a limited liability company or LLC in Colorado is a smart choice for many entrepreneurs because it offers flexibility, protection, and low ongoing costs. It's easy to maintain and provides a strong legal protection. Forming an LLC in Colorado is an excellent option. Now, the next step is choosing a name for your Colorado LLC. Your LLC name must be distinguishable from other businesses registered in Colorado, so it should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.L.C. To check the name availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Colorado Secretary of State Business database and search your desired name. If nothing shows up after you search the name, that means it's available and good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every Colorado LLC is required to have a registered agent because they receive the legal documents and official state notices. They must have a physical address in Colorado and must be available during business hours. The thing is, if you want to be your own registered agent, you can do so, but you need to meet the legal state requirements. Now it's time to officially form your LLC. In Colorado, LLC are filed 100% online. There is no mail or in-person filing, and the state filing fee is $50. You just have to provide your LLC name, principal office address, registered agent information, management structure, like if it's going to be like a member manage or manager manage. Once submitted, Colorado typically approves LLC instantly or within minutes. Although Colorado does not legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because it defines ownership and responsibilities, explains how profits and losses are handled, it helps prevent disputes between members, it strengthens your liability protection because every single member LLCs should have one for legal and banking purposes. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Next is you need to register for state taxes and licenses. You can simply do that by visiting the Colorado Department of Revenue to establish all necessary state tax accounts applicable to your business activities. Because beyond state requirements, it ensures you obtain any required local business licenses or permits based on your specific industry and operational location. Another thing that you need to do is to streamline your registration process by utilizing the MyBiz Colorado portal. This is essentially designed for efficient interaction with multiple state agencies. To maintain your LLC in good standing in Colorado, you need to keep your LLC active, file an annual periodic report with the Colorado Secretary of State, and the fee is $25 minimal. It's due within 5-month window based on your formation date, and make sure to register. The agent details are always up to date. Missing this filing could lead to penalties or even dissolution. You see, traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Colorado. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page, and all I have to do here is enter a business name and then click the next button. Then select the state that you wanted to register, and that's going to be Colorado. Click the next button again. After that, if you wanted to provide your business email and your phone number, you can do so. Click the next button. From here, we need to provide the industry that you wanted to associate your LLC. In our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to check our affiliate link in the video description when creating your account here in LegalZoom. Click the next button. And then from here, you see that there are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the 1-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to register an LLC in Colorado. From choosing your business name and filing your articles of organization to getting your EIN, operating agreement, and business bank account setup. Colorado is one of the best states to form an LLC because the process is fast, affordable, and can be done entirely online. Now, if you're confident and want to save money, filing it yourself through the Colorado Secretary of State website is a great option. However, if you want a stress-free experience, don't want to miss any steps, or simply prefer having everything handled for you, using a formation service like LegalZoom can be a smart choice, especially for beginners. They help with filing, compliance reminders, and ongoing support so you can focus on growing your business instead of the paperwork. Now, if you'd like to support the channel, you can check out the affiliate links in the description to get started today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. because we'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.